Something I do with tomato cages is this. I have learned over the years that I really hate these legs that stick up. I feel like it's just an accident waiting to happen if they're stored incorrectly and I like bend down to pick something up and don't see it and I'm going to poke an eye out. Also, if you use them for jamming it into the ground, it's not very stable anyway. It makes it very top heavy. It's upside down right now. So when you have it right side up, the big part is on the top and the plants that grow into it become really top heavy and they just topple it over anyway. So plus having these loose wires and legs here make it very difficult to store, because whenever you try to nest these in each other for storage, they're constantly getting snagged in the other wires and it just makes for a big mess. See how when you nest them they get kind of crooked, and after you use them for a while they never really fit right and it's dangerous, you can scratch yourself and it's just not great. So what I do is I take my handy dandy bolt cutter and I clip off those legs. Just nice and easy. Now it's true that they're not going to be able to sit in the soil anymore very well on their own because they don't have those legs to support them. But I would rather stake them with maybe separate wooden stakes or some other support externally anyway, because those legs were never very good. So it just works better to get rid of them. And then I take the extra wires and I can recycle them for projects in other places, maybe plant tags or something. I'll find a use for them. And then there you go. It's much easier to just, they come up and down without getting snagged really easy. You can stack and nest them for storage. So it just works out much better that way.